We are standing at Panchkula bus stand where the people are sitting in the buses. You can see the visuals. Today is the first day when Haryana restored their public transport, but there are certain kind of limitations. Only limited routes are available for the buses, and in fact, since the lockdown has been enforced, the public transport shuts, and today is the first day when in Haryana the public transport is available, is restored. You can see these are the people who wanted to travel to the different places in Haryana, and they are completely screened before they board into the bus, and in fact they have to show the tickets. Tickets are being distributed through the online web portal. Nobody is allowed to visit to the bus stand without getting his ticket done through the website, just because state has published the website through which the tickets are available, but no physical ticket is available on the bus stand, neither the counters nor by the conductors inside the buses. These are the visuals. They are getting into the buses, and this is the bus which is moving to Rohtak from Panchkula, and it will leave at around 11 o'clock. And certain routes are open only. Certain routes are open in the states that are relaxed. This is Panchkula, Ambala, Sirsa, Narnaul, Bhiwani. These are the routes that remain connected through the public transport. You can see today is the first day, and at every bus stand, these are the visuals we are emerging, that all the people covered with the masks, and they are boarding to the buses along with their luggage. Only 30% can sit in one bus. This is the directions put out by the state government. Not more than 30 people can travel in one bus, and limited buses are available on the roads. And in fact, beyond this, the Haryana border is not allowed to cross these public transport. These buses are only allowed to remain inside the state. You can see the visuals. Only 30 people can sit in one bus. 30 people will travel in one single bus. This is the bus for the Rohtak from Panchkula, and this is the fifth bus today is going to leave. Haryana state has decided to relax this lockdown norm. After taking the stock of the situation, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar had decided that the public transport should resume. In fact, this is the experimental relaxation, and if it works, the CM said that the transport will fully restored in the entire state. If I can show you the visuals inside the bus, you can see one person is sitting on the one seat, and before this public transport resumes, the entire bus is sanitized, and in fact, all the precautions have been done by the State Transport Authority. You can see these are the visuals inside, that one person can sit on one seat. 30 people can travel in one bus. This is the limited number that has been given by the State Transport Authority. Just because today is the first day and people are allowed to travel. Only online tickets are available. They have to register themselves on a website, and ticket will be issued. And only that ticket is the entry pass for the bus stand, and people are allowed to travel. Not more than 30% at one point in time, and in fact limited routes are available in the state of Haryana, but Haryana is the first state to restore